Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna see this ice cream truck thing. So now this is my doll. I don't know her name, but I I named her like few days or months ago, but I forgot her name. So forgot about names, and we're just gonna continuing on. And the shoes are keep falling. Whatever, I don't need shoes anyways. The shoes are keep falling, but that's annoying, but it's okay. I will find it later. But first we will see this cool lollipop, which is my favorite animal, like a bunny. Here's strawberry, I think. Yes, strawberry bunny. Strawberry bunny. It's a good name. And here's the mint one, which is my favorite, but I never tried it in real life, so it doesn't matter about talking about the food, even though the color looks so yummy. And what is this? I think lychee. I don't know, but why does it have a watermelon face? It should be like a lychee kind of sticker. Here's purple grapes. Even though I didn't eat grapes anymore. And mango. And now I fixed the sign into the right. See? I fixed the sign. And here, and here we have, behind here we have the strawberry chocolates. And here we have a lot of coins. Wait, that's around. That's all. We'll bring it near. It's on the floor. Just a second. Just trying to pick these up. But they're so difficult. Got it. See, guys, see? Look at these cool little coins. Or in my hand. But not just. Because I don't let anybody pay. Here we got mango. Ice cream with chocolate, melted chocolate, but it doesn't matter because it is yellow, but it was supposed to be chocolate. This one too, chocolate, but this is blueberry, mints again, and here's strawberry, and looks kind of simple, kind of like a simple ice cream, like a normal one. Here we got this normal old chocolate bar, or maybe it's a cake kind of chocolate bar, whatever. And here we have the ice creams, vanilla, vanilla, and some other ones. That's all? I think so. Here we got mints, good old milk, mints with sprinkles. Now blueberry, it isn't that cool looking because blueberry doesn't look like this. I think blueberry like round, kind of shape like this, kind of. And back on the mango. It's good because you could keep it like this. It's dead. But it's only 3%, so it doesn't matter. At least we will chance. See guys, I'm trying to make it so Kingo! I can't make it in. But it's too high, so whatever. Forget about this. Just remove the lids. That just flew off. Oh, that just flew off the table. Let's go there. Here we go. What mints? Mints goes here. Vanilla, blueberry, and mango. They kind of look so real kind of, but not peach like. Or not like brightish and brownish peach. Kind of. And now we can show you that good old table. Good old pinky table. Keep it far, but you guys can see, right? Yeah. I just saw it, but you guys can see. And do you know why these come from? As you can see, I'll keep it straight. Here where the driver sits, or take off this girl and take out these out and put them in here. See? Look. There's a little hole here where you put in the chairs. Like, you squeeze it. There. See? Look. Now go to. I see these kind of chairs, but I don't know what these called. Like fancy chairs, I think. I don't know. Here's chairs. There could be two here, and we'll do the same one to the other. There. See? Look. Now two people could sit, but this one people. One could be driver and one could be this side. Trying to turn it here. See? The other side. This side. I'll take it up later. Here could be the storage where the people keep all of their tools and stuff like signs. Oh no. Little chocolate. Give me a second. Can't find a chocolate. I'll just get it tomorrow. Whatever. Continuing. Like here somebody could sit. Like in the middle kind of. Kind of hard to sit because her legs are kind of moving when I sit her down. There. This could be a little thingy. Cup thingy where you drink your juice. I think this could be the right one to put juices in. Here we have the purple candy, grape candy. I feel something under me. A shoe. Real shoe. So much hair. Need the second one. Time for her to put on her shoes. You are not gonna walk on your bare feet anymore. It has been like 1 minute or something. I don't know, but at least she'll sit on her cool shoes. I like how she wears these shoes because they look kind of cool, like when they're flat and look cool at the same time. Now she'll sit down. But her outfit's feeling cold and cold, even though she's not cold. So I have to sit her down. Now the table just got upside down. Oh wow, that's just happening, right? That's so happy. No, wow. That's so happy. Now here will be her juice cup with this purple thingy. And she'll have some pie. Oh my god, this is pie, but I think this is a pie or a cake. I don't know what this is. She look like a pie, but it look like a cake at the same time. I mean, this is a cake. But this, I think this is jam or maybe a slice of mango. I'm confused what it is. This is just cake call it. To mention, there's a candy cane for Christmas. Even though I hate Christmas. Now she could wear this as her pony. Oh wow, she looks so cute at the same time. But at the same time you can't remove it. Just pull her hair and snap it. See? Look at her background of the hair. Looks so weird. Like, even though when she do like this, but this will come off, this which is kind of weird, not happening at the same time. And now we'll tell you the other flavors and then we'll end. It'll be pretty short and quick. Kind of. Just adding stuff in her juice. And I should show you this quickly because it's so easy to write it already. Maybe you guys know because some of you guys maybe have kind of cars, kind of. Some people doesn't know, but some people does know. Here's another twirly mango and strawberry, which is kind of different. It's such some reason this is kind of open, kind of just not happy. Pink of stars and a fat kind of purple one, and of course a square mint one, and of course you guys guessing, of course a mango one. Now we could just gonna put these thingies, merging these in, and now we're gonna end. Hope you like this video. If you did, smash the like button and see you guys next time. Goodbye and subscribe to bye.